Assalamu alaikum, sisters and brothers. Welcome again to Mathnavi, the 9th verse. Yes. The great Rumi says, Ateş est in bangenei u nist bad, her ki in ateş, nedaret nist bad. In English, here we have to give credit to Professor Nicholson, and from his translation we can read, this noise of the reed is fire. It is not wind. Whose hath not this fire? Maybe he not. Here the key words are the atesh, the fire, then the torchlight, and the wind. Let's start with the wind then. The noise of the reed is fire. Fire. It is not wind. The wind is important. The wind is the breath of Allah. Breath of Allah. Here, as the wind blows, it gives a particular sound, right? Here the sound of the wind resembles a release of air which comes right through from the mouth of Allah. But Rumi says that please do not misinterpret this. It is not just simple air. It has fire in it. It has fire in it. Oh, then we came to the second concept, the concept of fire, the key word, the fire. What does he mean by fire? Here the fire in the mind or in the heart of the great Rumi is a fire that radiates a particular ingredient. The name of the ingredient in this case is love, eternal love, muhabbat, love for Allah, right? It is released from the flute, okay? It penetrates into your soul and it starts to burn you. It starts to burn you. Here, in another instant, in somewhere else, Mawlana Jalaluddin Rumi says, to me, the lover must be such that when it stands up, flames engulf him on all sides, and all hell breaks loose. Now we have come to the third key concept, key word, torchlight. Torchlight. Here, Mawlana mentions the Venerable Mawlana, who had not this fire, may he be not. In other words, he is expecting you to be a torchlight, to be a torchlight. As you breathe in, yes, the spell of Allah, you will transform the hearts into lovers, becoming a torchlight. Mawlana, the great Rumi, says, I am walking around all aflame, meaning that lover burns and ignites others. This is a very important concept in the Mathnavi, in the 9th verse. Transformation of the heart, how it does happen. Here the key words are Hai, Haq, and Hu. By reciting the names of Allah, for example, Hai, it means that you are on the verge of rejuvenation. Haq means righteousness, and Hu, it's Him, Allah. Then it is important that as your heart starts to burn, love emerges into your spirit and you can transfer that fire. What does this fire do within yourself, within your being? First of all, it has the Jalal, it burns your ego. Secondly, it has the Nur, Jamal, it cleans you. It cleans you. And then it engulfs you, and you can become a universal man. A man as sacred, probably more sacred than the angels. The exalted man, the universal man. Ateş est in bangene un nist bad, her ki in ateş nedaret nist bad. Verses from Mawlana will continue.